Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a saved session because resetting network settings disconnects active connections. Start now. Press Windows key plus I to open settings, or click Start and type settings. Once done, choose Network and Internet on the left. That's where Windows centralizes adapters, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet controls. You're not reinstalling Windows. This targets networking stacks and adapters. Make sure to note any static IPs or VPN credentials before proceeding so you can reapply them afterward. Once in Network and Internet, scroll to Advanced Network Settings and select Network Reset. This option reinstalls network adapters and returns settings to defaults. Click Reset and confirm. Windows will warn you it will reboot. Accept and choose Restart Now when prompted. The process uninstalls adapters, reinstalls drivers, and clears custom DNS, proxy, and IP settings. This can take a few minutes. Make sure to reconnect to your Wi-Fi and re-enter any saved passwords after the reboot, because profiles are removed. After your PC restarts, reconnect to Wi-Fi and reconfigure any VPNs or static IPs you noted earlier. The reset removes those profiles. If a network adapter is missing, open Device Manager and scan for hardware changes, then run Windows Update to fetch drivers. If you still have issues, run the built-in Network Troubleshooter. Setting System Troubleshoot. As a deeper step, open an admin PowerShell and run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset. Restart again if you run these commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.